Today we'll start exercise 4.4. Here you are to do the geometric representation of the equation in one variable and two variable, right? आपको one variable और two variable दोनों में लेकर आनी है. Okay, if you have given in equation one variable, आपको एक equation में one variable given है और आपको उसको one variable और two variable में लेकर आना है, right? As you know, on coordinate axis, at x-axis y is equal to 0, on y-axis x equal to 0. Like अगर x1 है तब भी y 0 है. If x is 2 here on this line, on this axis only, x-axis, when x equal to 0, then y, when x equal to 1, y equal to 0, x equal to 2, y equal to 0. Anywhere on this x-axis, we'll say that y is equal to 0. Same here. On y-axis, we will say x equal to 0, right? On y-axis, we will say x equal to 0, whether y is 1, 2, on this line. So, horizontal line पे y 0 होता है और वर्टिकल लाइन पर x 0 होता है. उस पे x की कोई वैल्यू नहीं होती, 0 होता है. ठीक है. अगर एक वेरिएबल है हमारे पास, only one variable is given, so we can represent that equation using both of the variable, like both of the coordinates. Like एक तो आप सिंपल हॉरिजॉन्टल पे जैसे आप पहले करते थे यूजिंग वन वेरिएबल, और दोनों वेरिएबल के साथ भी कर सकते हैं. सो अर्लियर यू वर डूइंग लाइक दिस. आपके पास एक नंबर लाइन होती थी. इफ यू आर टू रिप्रेजेंट हियर 4/5, तो आप करते थे 0, 1/5, 2/5, 3/5, 4/5, right? This is 4/5. Suppose if you are to represent x is equal to 4/5, so you can easily represent on a number line on horizontal axis only. तो आप पहले ऐसे ही करते थे, सिर्फ हॉरिजॉन्टल एक्सिस करते थे. और अगर आपको वन वेरिएबल को करना है तो आप सिंपली इसमें कर सकते हैं हॉरिजॉन्टल एक्सिस पे. लेकिन अगर आपको टू वेरिएबल से करना है देन यू विल डू इट ऑन कोऑर्डिनेट एक्सिस, राइट? और अगर हमें एक वेरिएबल गिवन है, सपोज वी आर गिवन हियर द इक्वेशन like x is equal to 5. If you have given the equation x equal to 5, if we talk about just one variable, तो आप horizontal axis पे जाएंगे. और अगर हम coordinate axis की बात करते हैं like two variables, so here it is, we can write down in standard form x minus 5 equal to 0, which shows y is, there is no y, so we can consider as y equal to 0 because coefficient of y is 0 here. यहाँ पर y का कोई कोफिशिएंट नहीं है, so we can take y is equal to 0 here, right? So here we have given, suppose x is equal to 5, we can represent x is equal to 5 now using one variable and two variable. It's too easy to represent using one variable. See, this is horizontal axis, right? Only horizontal axis will be taken for one variable. Do it like this. -1, -2, -3, -4 like this. So we are to represent 5 here. So this is 5, right? This is the representation of x is equal to 5, geometric representation of x equal to 5 using one variable. The equation as in one variable. हमने इस equation को one variable के through किया, right? Any query here? So now we'll do it using two variable. The equation is given here. I have taken the equation x equal to 5 and I'm going to do it using two variable. Two variable में देखो ऐसे हो जाएगा x minus 5 equal to 0. We can write here x प्लस 0y माइनस 5 इक्वल टू 0. दैट मीन्स जो y का कोफिशिएंट है वो 0 है, राइट? बट स्टिल वी विल रिप्रेजेंट इट ऑन द कोऑर्डिनेट एक्सिस, राइट? ऐसा भी हो सकता है ना कि y का कोफिशिएंट 0 हो गया. सो इफ वी वांट टू रिप्रेजेंट इट ऑन as an equation of as an equation of equation in two variable, then 1 2 3 4 5, then let's see how to do it using two variable. You can see here, where is x is equal to 5? Here is x equal to 5 and y is not nothing here. So y, it means y is equal to 0 here. इसका मतलब ये हो गया कि यहाँ पर y 0 है, ठीक है? अब x 5 y 0, this point, if you make the table also, see x is 5 everywhere, whether y is 0, whether y is 1, y is 2, because y का कोफिशिएंट 0 है तो y भी 0 है, चाहे y की वैल्यू 0 हो, 1 हो, 2 हो, 3 हो, कुछ भी हो. So x will remain as 5, right? x हमेशा 5 रहेगा चाहे y की वैल्यू कुछ भी हो. So you can see here, when x 0 y 5, x 0 y 5, sorry, y 0 x 5, y 0 x 5, y 0 x 1, again y 1 x 5, y 2 x 5, y 3 x 5, कुछ भी होगा y, then it will be 5 only. And if we will join these points, we'll get a straight vertical line. So this will be the equation, this will be the graph geometric representation of x is equal to 5. या आपके पास किसकी इक्वेशन हो जाएगी, ज्योमेट्रिक रिप्रेजेंटेशन हो जाएगी x इक्वल टू 5 की, because y is 0 here, y coefficient of y is 0 here, so if we take y 0 then also x 5, if we take y 1 तो भी x 5 आएगा. Everywhere x will be 5, what will be the value of y, चाहे y की y -1 हो, -2, -3, will get x equal to 5. That means in this we will get the equation geometric representation like graph as a vertical line. Okay, if we have y is equal to 5 here, as I took x equal to 5, अगर y equal to 5 हो तो इसे नंबर लाइन पे तो आप हॉरिजॉन्टल एक्सिस पे ही रिप्रेजेंट करोगे, राइट? ओके, हॉरिजॉन्टल एक्सिस पे इसको आप y is equal to 5 हॉरिजॉन्टल पे करोगे, 0 1 same, 2 3 4 5, because only 1 is given. You can take it like this also, आप इसको ऐसे भी ले सकते हैं, 1 2 3, आपको एक एक्सिस लेना है बस, you will represent it on single number line, right? But when you will represent using two variable, then you will use the coordinate axis here, right? Then you will use coordinate axis here. So here y is equal to 5, right? Y is equal to 5 here. So you can see here, when it will, the equation will be like this, when x 0 y 5, when x1 y 5, when x2 y 5, any number will take at the place of x, will get always y is equal to 5. 0 पे भी, 1 पे भी, 2 पे भी, 3 also, at 4 also, at 5, at -1 also, at -2. Whatever you will choose x, you will get y is equal to 5, because coefficient of x is 0 here. So it's like this. So here you will get the equation like a horizontal line, this line. This will be the equation of y is equal to 5 here, right? Y will be equal to 5 here. Any query here? Okay, so now exercise 4.4, question 1. Give the geometric representation of y is equal to 3 as an equation in one variable and two variable, right? Can you do this question? As we have done x equal to 5, y equal to 5. हमने y equal to 5 किया था, right? It will be same. So first part is in one variable, then you will represent it on a single line. Second part is in two variables, then you will represent it on coordinate x's, and y is equal to 3, you will get a horizontal line above the x-axis. Okay, as we have done y is equal to 5. Second is here, give the geometric representation of 2x plus 9 is equal to 0 as an equation in one variable and two variable. 2x plus 9 equal to 0. How to do this? The equation is 2x plus 9 equal to 0, right? So 2x is equal to minus 9, okay? X is equal to minus 9 upon 2, that is minus 4.5. Okay, firstly here we will find out x. Okay, in one variable it's x is equal to minus 4.5, and in two variables you can write it as 2x plus 0y plus 9 equal to 0. Okay, or you can say x plus 0y plus 0.5 equal 4.5 equal to 0, right? This is the linear equation in two variable. This is in one variable, this is in two variable. Okay, so now here we got x equal to minus 4.5. That means we will represent it using x equal to minus 4.5. In one variable it will be represented like this: minus 1, minus 2, here minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Minus 4.5 will be between minus 4 and minus 5. This also you will represent on the graph. It will be easy to represent then. You can take easily minus 4.5. Here x is equal to minus 4.5. Like this is in one variable. Then in two variable, you will take coordinate axis, right? In two variable, you will take coordinate axis. Here y, x, y dash, x dash, then 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same here, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Like this. Okay. So same here, you have given x equal to minus 4.5 here. It will be here. X equal to minus 4.5 between minus 4 and 5. But y, coefficient of y is 0. So whatever value will take for y, either, whether it's 1, 2, 0, 3, 4, we'll get x equal to minus 4.5. So if I take x equal to y equal to 1, then also x 4.5. Same here also. Same if I take 3. If I take y 4. So this will be the line of the equation here. This line will be the geometric representation in two variables, right? It will be the vertical. Any query here? Like this way you will represent.